AutoTextMe and Protractor already work together fantastic in order to make DVIs efficient and writing estimates fast. Well, our latest enhancements to both our DVI and our integration with Protractor make both of these things even better. Users familiar with our DVI may notice some changes right away. You can see that each line item now offers a video in each area. You can toggle this on as an administrator, and we'll look at that in a moment. Firstly, let's look at notes. When you click the notes, you now have a drop-down that is based off of line item specific recommendations. You can save this and it'll also mark the status as read. The recommendations now can be mapped with individual service packages. Previously, it used to just be based off of yellow or red, and then there will be canned jobs that'll be put on the estimate for you. Now, it is based off of any of these specific jobs that the technician will select. Let's take a look. Here we're in DVI Sheet Setup. You access this from your administrator menu and you choose DVI Sheet Setup, and then you'll pop open your category and expose your line items. You can see here, this is where the toggle is now for turning on video per line item. The place you'll add recommendations and canned jobs will be right here with the recommendations. That's this R button. If you have jobs that you want to select, that you want to map codes to, you can go ahead and put a package in there. I've used the package code LINK in this case. Where do we get these codes? You get those over in Protractor. Any packages that you have titled or described, you can also add a code to. You double click on it in Protractor and that option is right here. Plug in any code you need to. You just need to put in that code exactly the same in AutoTextMe in that line item section. When this is done properly on your ticket, once you've pushed the DVI results back into Protractor from AutoTextMe, any of the mapped package can show up right here on the work order, or if you prefer, they can go directly to deferred services. One other item is the SMS history now is taken directly out of Protractor and brought right in here to the AutoTextMe DVI. This is going to happen right when tickets transfer, so there is no database migration or anything that needs to take place. When a ticket is added, we will look for the history of services on that ticket, and it will be here for your technician or service writers to compare with the inspection results. It is my hope that our users will jump into these new features right away and begin leveraging those. If you are a prospective user of AutoTextMe, hop on over to autotext.me. You can schedule a demo and a free trial. We'll be glad to teach you how this works as well.